up things tonight, it's Ideal doing Uyai.
My brother was like, no, he doesn't want me to dance. But later, they saw me on TV and they appreciate it, like, okay, she can do this, and that's it.
Professor Bakari, how was this for you?
It was a good one. Very fine performance, as usual, by Ideal. You're a more serious couple than this. Your costume is not ideal. This is your costume, the male. That wrapper is too small, too tiny for you. You were just dancing in your boxers. We didn't see, this is not an aqua, yes. This is not an aqua, I mean, you know it, I don't know, you could have gotten something better.
Dr. Okoye.
Yes, I agree with that. I have seen the couple perform. And I mean, if it was done by one other couple, I might get up and clap. Oh, fantastic. But performed by Ideal, yes. It didn't get there. There are still much more that they could do. The movements were clean. In fact, immediately they started, I began to nod my head because I saw movements that were very well executed. The guy's flexibility was in no doubt. The ladies' mastery of the movement were perfect. But, you know, there was still something by way of energy. And I think the impression I got was that they didn't enjoy the dance as they always enjoyed all the dances.
Thank you very much. Thank you to our